name is Therese Lagama, and I'm very happy to welcome Makumba to our Live at the Loft series. We ask the same questions, and we always get very different answers. What do you bring from home when you travel that reminds you of home? Do you have anything special?
Actually, when we come from home, really, we just carry our favorite instrument. Like, what do you carry on tour that reminds me of home is my instrument, because you'll be with it at home.
Do you have a routine that you like to do right before you go on stage? Is there anything specific?
Yeah, actually, we as artists, we pray. You know, it's more important to our culture to also pray together and unite together. So this is something that we always do as the band, always stay together before we go on stage. Basically, we do that, yeah. That's
lovely. Who have been some of your musical influences?
From our hometown, our basic music influences were Oliver Mtukudzi, you know, they're the big guy from here in the States, from way back. It's called Thomas Mafumo. Is one of the big icons in Zimbabwe, and those are the guys. When we grew up, we used to listen to them, and we wanted to be more like them, you know, because they inspired us in making music. Victoria Falls, which is our hometown, where we come from, it's kind of like a border town to other African countries. So also the styles of music that happen in Zambia, in Botswana, you know, in Namibia. So Victoria Falls is more like a melting pot of different styles of music. This show is more like a stripped down show for our concert. You know, like we went back and thought, want really people to feel our culture, which is the tradition of the Tonga and the Lubale. And this set really brings that, because we've got the voices mainly and our traditional percussion and just bass and guitar. So you can really have to have an intimate with our traditional culture.